Dumelang, sanibonani, molweni, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be reviewing a popular soap that plays every day, Monday to Friday, 8:30 on Mzansi Magic, called Itonga, guys. So, let's get straight to it. Then Nombali are chilling. So obviously Bafethu, as you saw on the previous episodes, Umbali met a friend, which is Captain Mandla. So these guys have been having something that is going on, something more like a friendship or a relationship they're trying to build. So Captain Mandla came to Umbali's house to ask to speak to Umbali privately. And unfortunately, Umbali said no. For what reason, we also don't know. But I do think personally that Mbali was actually playing hard to get towards Captain Mandla. Yeah, but I think Umbali wanted Captain Mandla to put more effort and convince her into like building what they want to build. Because I do know for sure Umbali has feelings for Captain Mandla. On the other side, guys, as you can see, it's family time. So Zama is sitting on Tusanele, but Uzama is actually concerned about the relationship and about the baby. So Usanele hasn't told the family Amagwaza ukuthi Uzama is carrying his child and they have something going on. They have been seeing each other. So as they speak, Uzama asks Usanele ukuthi Ubanele ukuthi has he told the family ukuthi they have a child going, they have a child coming and they have something going on. They have been seeing each other. And unfortunately, Ubanele promised Uzama ukuthi he's gonna tell the family that very same day. Mbuza, that very same moment Mbuza, he's gonna tell the family and let the family know what's happening between them. On the other side, Bafethu Mama Kasanele uyambona uMagwaza lapana. Yabona is being the head of the house, trying to resolve problems regarding the baby issue yakambongeni no. So these people held like a small meeting regarding the child, orchestrating how the child would be produced. Because remember, Nowanda gave Umbongeni the platform to actually sleep with her cousin, which is Upeto. That's actually crazy. But because now they're trying to sacrifice something to get a baby, because Umongeni was crying all along, complaining that he wants to be a father, and Unowanda unfortunately can't bear children, can't give him children. So the only way is for Mbongeni to actually interact with Upeto, which happens to be Umzala, cousin Kanogwanda. So in that way, they can both be parents, but the baby won't come from Nogwanda's stomach physically. So, hey, it's a complicated situation in the family. So, on the other side, Buffett, as you can see, Ufeti, Nomaga Mbali visited Unogwanda, and they're always friends. Yabo. So, they try to console, yabo, advise Unogwanda regarding what's happening in her life, because Unogwanda has been venting to these people, telling these people Uguti, oh, she can't bear children. So the only person that they can use, as you can see on the picture, Upeto. So Unogwanda formally introduced Upeto to Mama Gambali no Faith. But Mama Gambali no Faith, they don't seem to like this Peto because they think Uguti she's gonna betray her cousin and run away with the baby. On the other side, Zama, hey guys, I feel bad for Upinda. I won't lie, I feel bad for Upinda because Upinda has been trying to convince Zama into a relationship, has been trying to convince Zama ukuthi bazwane and have like that strong bond, but Uzama does not seem to approve that. Uzama nje uzibonela ubanele yena and no one else. So obviously, Upinda protects Uzama because Upinda is working under Untanzi and Uzama happens to be Ntanzi's daughter. So, umsebenzi kaPinda is to protect Uzama, but instead, Upinda is seeing a relationship with Uzama, of which Uzama does not see the same Upinda, which is very sad because Upinda has this thing ongoing. You're trying to convince Uzama to stay away from Usanele, Banele, Sanele. Because he feels like she's in danger or something like that. And then Umbali, guys, I think Umbali has found love. I don't know, because Umbali seems to have feelings for Captain Mandla. So while she was speaking with her friend, just hanging out, chilling, Mbali is just dazed away. She's not even focused. She's thinking about Captain Mandla. You understand? But at the same time, there's a catch because Umbali says that every time she tries to move, there's Sanele on her thoughts, in her thoughts. So I don't know. It's like she's struggling to move on, but she wants to move on because she has feelings for someone else, of which happens to be Captain Mandla that she avoided earlier on. I love the relationship between Upinda and Mamwak and his mother, because every time Upinda faces a problem, he goes to his mother, and his mother always consoles him. He always advises him to do good. As you can see in the picture, Pinda went to his mother to tell his mother Uzama isn't approving the relationship that he actually wants. And Mama Pinda always tells Upinda, you wanna find love, just not Uzama. Yeah, but there are many other people that you can find. You can't be obsessed in Uzama, because Uzama has clearly moved on. Of which happens to be Banele, of which we still confused. We're trying to find out who's the father of the baby. So the lovebirds in advance meet up. And apparently Umbalenhle has been avoiding Captain Mandla. But then Captain Mandla got a platform to actually speak to Zama and ask out to Zama on a date. Hey guys, things are actually escalating. They're they're escalating. I can't wait to see the end product of Uzama, actually Umbali, and Captain Mandla. Guys, hey, it's time for baby production, and Umbongeni seems unready. Guys, this part made me laugh for real, because Unoganda is convincing, is persuading Umbongeni to go and produce a child for them. No peto. And Mbongeni is not even feeling. Mbongeni is a bit nervous. He's sweating. Hey, this guy, guys, I'm sorry there, but this part made me laugh because Mbongeni was the one who actually wanted a child, guys. If you just go back to the episodes, you'll find out that Mbongeni, why do I keep saying Banel? Mbongeni wanted a child. But at the same time now, when Unogwanda is actually pushing Umbongeni to the edge to go and like sleep with Upet, so Umbongeni is sweating. He's like, oh, mama, you can't do this and whatsoever. He's coming with excuses and everything. This scene was actually funny because it's now vice versa. The person who did not want kids is the one persuading the one who wanted kids, and the one who wanted kids doesn't want kids anymore. It's very sad. On the other side, guys, you can see Mama Sanele wants to actually confront her mother and tell her mother, his mother, Uguti. They've been seeing each other no Zama, but now it's not easy for Banele to actually like spit out. So in the end, Ubanele told Mama Uguti they seeing each other no Zama. And you can see the face. There's a lot of disappointment. I wouldn't say she's not feeling it, but there's a lot of disappointment, guys. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen next, how she's gonna react, what she's gonna say, and how she's gonna take the situation. So comment down below, guys, on what you think is gonna happen next. Comment down below on how you found the review. Like, share, comment, subscribe on the page. Please support the page, the channel, guys. Support the channel, guys. And yeah, man, keep on watching Itonga Mzansi Magic 161 Bafetu Monday to Friday. Do not miss out. And if you do miss out, don't forget to come through the channel and come and hear my review of what happened in that particular episode. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.